Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a cinnamon cake. It's like a version of a cinnamon roll. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, sift in flour and the baking powder. Add a pinch of salt, that's optional. Then add sugar. Stir with a fork or a spoon. On another container, mix the milk with melted butter. Add the room temperature eggs and vanilla essence. Mix. Please check the description box below for a list of ingredients and more information. Mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. May I ask that you support this channel by staying until the end, and please run the ads. Collect the batter from the sides of the bowl. Pour the batter into a lined baking pan. Level it and close the gaps. In another container, place melted butter, add brown sugar and the ground cinnamon. Here I was showing that whichever brown sugar you are using, you will get the results. If you are a new viewer or a regular visitor, please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It's free to subscribe. Drizzle dollops of cinnamon sugar mixture on the batter. Swirl the cinnamon sugar with a sharp-ended object like a knife or a wooden skewer, as shown in the video. Tap the pan a few times, then bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Cool the cake for 10 minutes before removing it from the pan, then entirely outside the pan. Let's make the butter frosting. In a bowl, cream the room temperature butter. I would like to appreciate my returning subscribers and say thank you so much for your loyal support. Sift in the powdered sugar, or we call it icing sugar. Mix until it is blended. Trust the process, it will eventually be melted in. Add the essence of your choice. I have used lemon mixed with caramel essence. Spread the frosting on top of the cake, or cut the cake in half and sandwich it. Please press the like button and leave a comment below about your thoughts regarding this recipe. Cut and serve the cake. Let me tell you something. The cake is soft, it's fresh, it's delicious, it's fluffy. I hope you will enjoy this cake. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.